Hello Hacktubers! Today's project will be how you can make foldable light box, and I'm gonna show you how you can build it at home for cheap and easy steps, so can anyone make it. And believe me, if you are video or photography creator, you will need this foldable light box. Stay tuned! Everything that is used for making this foldable light box you can find in your local store and will cost you almost nothing. You're gonna need this white cooking foil, and I choose this kind of cooking paper because if this foil get dirty you can easily clean it up, and it's waterproof and also known as reusable non-stick paper. Next you're gonna need some kind of soft metal wire. Why soft? Because we're gonna bend the wire to make the frames for our light box. Besides the cooking sheet and metal wire, you're gonna need white zip ties and couple of neodymium magnets. This light box will be 50 by 50 centimeters, and first you need is to make 4 frames out of metal wire that I described at the beginning. 4 frames 50 by 50 centimeters and 1 piece 50 by 30 centimeters. This frame will be for the top of the box. Now when you made all the frames, we're gonna take the cooking sheet and cut equal pieces for every frame. To remind you, this cooking paper is non-stick, so you can't use clear tape or similar. We're gonna use stapler to fix the sheet to metal wire frames. With zip ties you're gonna join all pieces together, and neodymium magnets will be used for holding the frames in place and making this light box foldable. This isn't light box if you not have the right lights, so using LED white strips or using these portable flashlights are just basic setup. Here you go, it turned out pretty cool. Foldable light box made out of cooking paper, metal wire and zip ties. I hope you liked today's project. If so, hit that like button, share with your friends, and as always, Hackscribe for more. Thanks for watching.